Alma of the Airwaves, and Lucky is somewhere in this room. It is Friday, 26th of March. What you're going to hear probably in a few seconds is Thomas. Thomas is a kitchen installer. He showed up today at 9 a.m. and he's installing my new sink. You're going to see the whole action. As if this was not enough, they started to trim the big tree in front of my window. And so you're going to meet also Chris, who works for the city. It was pouring rain all day. And enjoy the video. Enjoy the video. Life is beautiful. Okay, the big day is here. Friday, 26th of March. Today is the day my sink is gonna arrive and be installed. Here is a before picture. This all will be changed. Wait for the action. I already made peppers for whoever is gonna install it. Here is my old sink. This will go. Yan.
Oh, thank you.
It is 9:20. Of course, disaster had to strike, and there is a leaking pipe. Here is the leaking pipe. Okay. Didn't know that this is gonna get changed as well, so I had to empty this. Speaking of chaos. Ah, beautiful. Becky, what's going on? Becky's having lunch in unusual places. What's going on? Pouring rain, as you can see.
You got an 1.25 vertical, easier, and that way if something backs up, you got someplace to take it off to put the big machine.
Hello. Hello. 2 p.m. Here is the progress. Brand new pipe. Done. Hello. Just okay, your name is Chris?
Yes, my name is Chris.
Okay.